works. All right, one more time. All right, so I did have a GoPro chest on. I did the whole install, but the angle of the camera wasn't good, so I just didn't put it in the video. But so here's the original kill switch, and here's the one that I got from Amazon for $7. And yeah, so the unit here, it fits in perfectly. You don't have to do any modification. It goes in there and you just tighten this nut. It's nice and snug. And then it comes with these two wires. One's for the coil, I think, and then one just goes to the ground. And I just splice these two together. I'm just gonna go ahead and tuck it in. It's a super simple install, but yeah, I mean, it works. I'm not sure why Mercury didn't add a kill switch lanyard to their outboards, at least to the older style. But yeah, I went ahead and tested it out. Everything looks good. That way I'm more safe out in the water. Yeah.